Today we're reviewing an e-bike from a company called Lectric, and this is their latest model called the XP, a fat tire electric bike with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, a range of up to 25 to 50 miles, with both pedal assist and throttle acceleration. It features a folding mechanism for storage, along with a removable battery for swapping and indoor charging. Lectric sent us a brand new XP model so we can review it and put it to the test. Keep in mind we're not paid or sponsored by Lectric to make this review. However, we do make a small commission if you buy using our link. So if you found this review helpful and want to support our channel, please follow the links in the description. Also, during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the Lectric XP will be $200 off. We also have a coupon code that will include a free rack bag with your order. Alright, let's get right into it. For shipping, the XP comes in a medium-sized box that weighs 60 pounds. Inside, the bike is folded and nearly fully assembled. Included in the box is the manual, the charger, and a couple of tools. All you need to do is attach the seat, handlebar, inflate the tires, and the bike is all set up ready to go. Taking a closer look at the bike components, it has a 7-speed Shimano freewheel, along with a thumb shifter on the right handlebar so you can change gears. In the middle, there's an LCD display that will show battery level, current speed, pedal assist level, and trip distance. The bike features 5 pedal assist levels that kick in a few seconds after you start pedaling. You can adjust the settings using the up and down arrow and mode button on the left handlebar. The motor is a 500-watt rear hub motor that can peak at 800 watts in the highest mode. You also have a throttle on the right handlebar that you can engage from a stop or while you're riding. The top speed is 20 miles per hour using the throttle and 28 miles per hour if you pedal assist. The bike features all-terrain fat tires, which help absorb some of the shocks. One downside is that the bike does not have any front or rear shocks. However, it does have a comfortable extra-wide seat that you can adjust up and down, and also has a suspension seat post to absorb shock. When riding, the acceleration can pick up quickly. With the throttle alone, you can get it going up to 20 miles per hour. With pedal assist, it will allow you to go even faster. You can even unlock a mode through the bike settings that will increase the top speed to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. For braking, it features 160mm disc brakes in the front and back. This allows you to quickly come to a stop, even from high speeds. We took the Lectric XP to the trail to see how it performs off-roading. Overall, the riding was great. The bike has enough pickup to help you up inclines, and the fat tires do a great job absorbing the bumps. The included mud flaps on the front and rear tire protect and keep you dry when going through puddles or rain. When you're done riding, the bike can quickly fold in half. The mechanism is easy to operate. For the battery, it's positioned inside the frame of the bike. The bike comes with a key to operate it, but the downside is the keyhole is on the bottom, which is hard to see. The XP can fold in half, making it easy for storage or putting it in the trunk of a car. It even features folding pedals so the bike takes up even less space. When you fold the bike, you have the ability to pull the battery out. This allows you to leave the bike somewhere and bring the battery inside to charge. The battery is a 48-volt, 10.4 amp hour LG battery pack. For even longer range, you can buy a spare battery from Lectric for $300. The XP also features a rear rack, which is a nice addition and found very convenient. It has a spring-loaded hopper to help secure your gear. You could even attach a crate so you could store a bunch of bags or groceries. The XP also features both front and rear LED lights that you can turn on and off, making it a safe ride in the dark. In terms of range, Lectric advertises a range between 20 and 50 miles. In our tests, we found that for a 180-pound rider, with just throttle alone and no pedaling going 20 miles per hour on flat ground, we consistently got 25 to 30 miles each time we did this specific test. With completely unleashing the bike with the 28 miles per hour pedal assist max speed, it can get about 15 to 20 miles. Hills can affect the range of the battery, so it depends on how much incline, decline, stop, and go in your ride. For maintenance, we haven't yet been able to test the long-term durability of the bike, but since there are gears and a few different components, you can expect similar maintenance to a regular bike. You may need to change the chain and clean the drivetrain or performance brake maintenance. For the tires, Lectric says the tires are anti-puncture, so they shouldn't go flat. Overall, we think this is a great e-bike for the price. It has a good build quality and great features such as the folding mechanism and removable battery. The acceleration with the throttle and pedal assist are great, making it super fun to ride up to 28 miles per hour. We recommend this bike for commuting, off-roading, running errands, and even just a cruiser for the beach or bike paths. Alright, that's it for now. Next up, be sure to watch some of our other e-bike reviews and comparisons against the Super 73.